Hello, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Magandang umaga saan ka man sa mundong ito. Welcome po sa ating business presentation. Pakilala po muna ako no, bago pong lahat. Ako po si Bong Panaligan. Dito po ako ngayon sa UK. At dati po akong nurse sa Philippines. Pero ngayon po ay full-time ko na pong ginagawa yung ating pong mga home-based business. Ano? At siyempre, yan yung ating wife. Nurse po siya dito sa London. And marami na din po tayong mga kapwa natin mga Pilipino dito sa UK na natulungan natin po ano para po magkaroon po ng extra income. Okay? So, bago lahat, nais ko lang po kayong tanungin ano, ng mga ilang katanungan. Number one po, what will you do ano if we enter a recession? Kumbaga po, kung may mga hindi inaasahang pangyayari, maging sa ating ekonomiya, okay, maging sa iyong trabaho, kung medyo tumaas ang mga presyo, kumbaga tayo ba'y handa sa mga ganong pangyayari? Pangalawa po, is your current job or business secure? Are you sure na pang matagalan yung ating hanap buhay, yung ating negosyo? Kasi po wala po talagang security di ba? So mas maganda na yung meron tayong other source of income. Okay? Number three, do you have a backup plan for your income? Kung sakaling mang magkaroon ng emergencies, may nagkasakit sa ating pamilya, may mag-aaral sa kolehiyo, may mag-abroad na nanghihingi ng placement fee, whatsoever, ano? Kumbaga, meron po ba tayong mga kumbaga sideline ano or mga backup or whatever na makakatulong kung sakali pong may mga emergency sa buhay natin na darating. Lastly po, sabi rito, do you have an open mind for additional stream of income? Sabi nga nila, don't put your eggs in one basket. Kung ano man mangyari sa isa, meron ka pa rin ibang pagkukunan. Now, actually po, sa akin pong other business, ito meron po tayong kinikita dito na almost okay, $600 to $700 per week guys. So, mapapansin mo dito sa mga date na yan, on March 18, after that, after 7 days, March 25, $638. After 1 week na naman, 822. So mapapansin po nito guys, ninyo dito, na every week po, every week talaga namang meron tayong kinikita sa industriya po ng sabihin na nating network marketing. Okay? So, how would you like, how would you like na balang araw, 6 months from now, 1 year from now, 2 years from now, aside from your present job, meron ka pa rin kinikita na sideline na ganyang kalaki. Okay? O maliit man yan, siguro sa'yo. Now, I want to introduce to you the name of the company, na galing po ito sa Amerika. Total Life Changes. Yan po yung pangalan ng company guys. More than 15 years na po itong tumatakbo sa buong mundo. At ang ganda po dito, I was excited very very soon. Malapit na po mag-open, maglo-launch dyan sa Philippines. Okay? Kaya we're so excited to expand this business po sa Pilipinas. Okay? Now, talking about our products, nasa health and wellness industry po tayo. Okay, ganda po dito yung product natin guys, ginagamit na po ng tao. Kaya lang, tayo po ay medyo kakaiba yung ating produkto na herbal tea na yan. Okay, hindi po yan basta-basta, it's not a normal tea na basta-basta mo mabibili sa mga supermarket. Kasi po meron siyang 9 different herbs. Okay, 9 different herbs. It will actually help you, remove yung mga toxins, mga parasites sa mga intestines natin. And in so doing, nag-i-improve din po yung ating bowel movement. Okay, marami na po na tayo nito mga kababaihan, mga kalalakihan, mga kababayan, kumbaga, na after 3 days, 4 days taking the products, guys, they have already see the effectiveness of Ayaso tea. Okay, so kung meron pa kayong kilala na medyo may problema sa bowel movement or medyo kailangan mag-lose ng weight, okay, ito po yung maganda nating i-promote sa kanila. Kahit hindi ka mataba, basta gusto mo magkaroon ng healthy body, guys, removing all the toxins and mga cholesterol sa katawan natin, okay, Ayaso tea is the name of the product. Also, isa po sa ating product din yung mga coffee natin, Okay? Hindi po siya normal na coffee lang kasi meron siyang mga herbs na nakapaloob dito, At syempre, kung gusto mong mas lalong mapabilis, kung meron kang makilala na medyo may konting overweight na concern, okay, aside from the herbal tea guys, ito isama natin yung ating Delgada coffee or ating Latin coffee. Meron tayong black coffee, meron din tayong parang latte yata yan. Okay? So guys, this is one of the famous or our products po sa TLC, mga beverages natin. Actually, meron din tayong mga essential oils. Kasi ako yung tao na medyo mahilig ako sa essential oils. Paborito ko yung peppermint, no? Saka yung lavender. Kasi minsan, ginagawa ko, nilalagay ko siya, yung ano na yan, yung oil na yan sa candle burner. Yung aroma pa lang, yung kanyang usok pa lang, guys, very, kumbaga, therapeutic siya. Kung may problema ka sa medyo may kailangan kami asthma or gusto mo ng calming effect, okay, relaxation, this is the best guys to do, lalo na sa pag-uwi mo sa gabi, galing trabaho. Okay? Also, we also have this NutraBurst, itong multivitamin drink natin. Kasi hindi naman po lahat ng oras o lahat ng panahon ay nakakain tayo ng, sabihin na nating balanced diet. No? Wala tayong time magluto, hindi tayo nakakakain ng fruits and vegetables. So, i-supplement natin guys sa ating kinakain with this multivitamin drink na NutraBurst. No? 72 minerals, 12 herbs, 22 fruits and vegetables, and 13 whole food greens. So, mayaman siya guys sa vitamina. Okay? Ito. Gusto ko ito. Emu oil. Okay? Actually, it's like an ointment guys. Ginagamit ito almost every day. Maganda to sa may mga skin problems. Okay? Kung meron kang mga acne, pimples, wrinkles, or meron kang mga burns, insect bites. Okay? Basta mga skin problems guys. I believe makakatulong tong Emu oil na yan. In fact, meron akong pamangkin dito sa UK na for so many years, guys, nagpupunta siya ng doktor, nilista ng mga ointment, pero walang nangyayari. Pero after 2 weeks lang, itong sakit niya, psoriasis, skin problem niya, psoriasis, guys. Ilang taon na yan, nandyan pa rin. Pero nilagyan namin ng Emu oil, guys, after 2 weeks. Wow! Nakikita mo talaga ang improvement, after gamitin yung Emu oil na yan. So, kung meron kang kilala guys na medyo may mga problem po sa skin, the best thing to do is apply natin ng Emu oil. Okay? At ngayon, pag-usapan po natin yung ating pong compensation plan kung paano po kumita dito sa TLC. Okay? Number 1 is retail commissions. Okay? Explain ko lang mabuti kayo, retail commissions. Halimbawa, meron kang customer, ayaw niya mag-business, nasunog na, ayaw niya magnegosyo, kumbaga, pwede mo na naman gawing customer na lang. Or gusto niya mo i-try yung product. Bawat products natin, guys, merong mga corresponding PV, point value or point volume yan. Okay, halimbawa ito, for 4 po na pakete ng Ayaso Tea, good for 1 month supply po yan. Ang halaga po niyan dito sa UK is $44.95. Okay? Now, ang katumbas po niya na PV is 40. So, sabi ng company, 50% babayaran tayo, based on the PV. So, magkano bang 50% ng 40? So, that's 20. In other words, guys, kikita po kayo ng $20, sa isang produkto na orderin ng iyong customer with 4 packets ng Ayaso Tea. Marami tayong products, guys, Marami tayong products, di ba? Ang dami natin mga products. So, you can promote any products there with PV, Siyempre, kikita ka ng 50% dyan. How generous is our compensation plan? Siyempre, meron din tayong tinatawag na fast start bonus. Again, it's 50% of your PV. Okay? Halimbawa po, nag-join yung iyong prospect, nag-join siya with combinations ng mga products na nagkakahalaga po ng 100 PV. Ang tanong again, magkano ba ang 50% ng 100 PV? Siyempre, $50. Kung nag-join ng iyong client, yung prospect, with 200 PV, syempre, ang 50% ng 200 PV is $100. So guys, napaka-generous po. Kasi po, 50% po ng ating PV binibigay po sa mga distributors. Okay? Number 3 is binary commissions. Binary commissions, guys, based on your team, based on your effort in building the team. Dito po sa atin, we build our team between the left team, okay, and the right team. Okay? Now, let me say this also, mas maganda kung maka-join ka as soon as possible. Halimbawa, ako to, yung upline mo, if you join or sign up as soon as possible, dito ka ngayon sa left side, wala kami magagawa guys. Pag nakumpleto na namin yung dalawa namin on the first level, wala kami magagawa dahil nag-join ka kaagad, you will benefit from the spillover. Kasi po yung mga tao na sa taas mo, they will also recruit and sign up new people. So you will benefit from the spillover. So makikinabang ka sa mga effort na nasa taas mo. So the sooner you join, the better. Again, the company will pay you 10 to 25% guys, ano? Based po yan sa mga products na namumove natin na binibili ng ating mga sign-ups. Okay? 10 to 25% po babayaran ka based on your binary commissions. Now, the third one is matching bonus. This is about teamwork, guys. No? Whatever po ang kinikita ng mga first level or mga personal mong na-recruit, kahit may 5 ka o 10 personal recruit, tulungan mo silang kumita based on their binary commissions. Kung ano yung income nila sa binary commissions, guys, the company will give you 50%. So, halimbawa ito, kumikita ng $1,000 a month. So, 50% of 1,000 is 500. So, you will be paid $500 per month, no? Kung siya ay kumikita ng per month. So, second level again, okay, second level mo na kumikita based on their binary commissions, the company will pay you 10%. How generous that is, guys, for the, matching bonus. Okay, last but not the least, ito po yung ating lifestyle bonus only for national director level. Pag na-hit mo yung level na yan, guys, the company will pay you up to $1,500 on a monthly basis. Over and above po sa mga commissions mo kanina, ito parang allowance mo yan, no? Pambili mo ng kotse, pang-down mo ng kotse, pang-down mo ng condominium, ikaw nang bala dyan. Basta po ay $1,500 monthly incentive for national director level. Okay? So, now let's get started. Let's get started how to make money in this business. And not only that, let's get started fast. Okay? The word is fast. Now, dito guys, meron tayong tinatawag na Power Pack. Pag nag-sign up ka, if you want to join the business, try the product, and make money, in TLC, I would highly suggest guys, kumuha tayo ng Power Pack. Okay? Sa dollars niyan is 172.50. That includes shipping fee and VAT. Ano bang makukuha mo diyan? 4 na tea, may emo oil ka na, may essential oil ka pa na isa na yung peppermint ng flavor, at saka isang box na coffee. Okay? Inclusive na shipping sa VAT niyan. Sa pounds niyan is 140.50. Okay? At it will be delivered to you guys in a matter of 8 to 10 days. Okay? Now, fast start bonus mo pa lang guys, kung meron kang ma-invite na mag-sign up, okay, kukuha ng Power Pack ng ating mga products na yan, you receive a fast start bonus worth $53.50. Saan ang galing yung $53.50 na yan? Kasi po, yung 4 na yan, it has 107 po na PV or point value. So, kalahati po yan, 50% po yan is $53.50. Okay? How cool is that? Maganda po yan, guys, para, you can really jumpstart your business. Dalawa pa lang. Dalawa lang dito mapasain na mo. That's already 107, no? Dollars kikitain mo. Halos bawi na, halos bawi na yung punan, kumbaga. Okay? So, that's the way to start the business, guys, with a Power Pack combination. Okay? So, now, again, life's challenging. Okay? Life is really challenging, guys. Kaya make more changes. Kung gusto mong baguhin ang iyong situation, guys, okay, simulan natin. And we are here as a team. Meron po tayong support system dito. We have webinars. Okay, we have leaders here to help you para po masimulan itong ating bagong income opportunity po na lalo-lalo na maglo-launch tayo sa Philippines. Okay? Thank you very much for joining, and I hope you keep in touch with us para po we will help you, we will assist you how to build this business step by step. Again, this is Bong Panaligan, and thank you very much for joining the webinar. Bye for now, guys. Bye-bye.